Okay, we're doing a long-range comms check and test to make sure our system, RALAR, and our drone ILAR can be controlled from a distance. Today, it's going to be operated by Jim. Jim is one of our ARL TPOCs. He's the technical lead for us. So, Jim, you want to give a quick intro on who you are, what you do?
Yeah, sure. Hi, I'm Jim Dodowich at the Army Research Laboratory in Aberdeen, Maryland. I'm part of one of the TPOCs for Target Arm under the Deep Terrain Shaping SIBR, and today we'll be launching a UAV from the ground.
Perfect, thank you. All right, Gabe, why don't you take it over, run Jim through how you can launch it through Maestro, and I'll just supervise from outside.
Okay, so let's walk through how to get a drone out to a mission. So we'll start on your asset map. You're going to select your two assets. You have a RALAR and a ILAR. So you can select those on the side. Yep, they'll turn green showing that they're active. Now, if you go to the system page, yep, we're going to wake up the system. So click initialize on your bottom left. Yep, just one tap. Takes about 5-ish seconds just for it to wake up. Now you're going to go to your mission planning page. Go to the waypoints tab on the top left. Yep. Select which drone we're going to use for this mission. And then double tap closer to the center of the screen where those cars are. Yep. Perfect. And then just hit upload on your bottom left. Yep. Now you can execute the mission as you wish. Yep.
Yeah, that one right there, executing the mission.
Yep, so now the arm's going to go through the process of grabbing the drone out of the magazine. As it does that, it's then going to lift it up into the airstream. The drone's going to arm, and then it'll lift off. And that's what you guys are going to observe now. Okay, so now the drone is off the arm. It's going to go to a position where it basically hands off, going from a local control of our system to a global control, so it can go out and do a mission. While it's doing that, it's also switching to a long-range comms that can go multiple kilometers away. Once it's done switching over, then it'll actually fly to the waypoint that you had selected. You can select multiple waypoints and go between them as well. But today we're just going to show one.
Video feed?
Yep, so now you have a video feed live showing you what's going on up there, and then you can go ahead and click end mission. Okay, and now the drone is going to align with the system. It's going to fly back and then align with where the RALAR system is. And then it'll start to descend down. So now it's back into the spot where it's going to try and do this transition where it goes from that global control to a local control. So now it's done the switch over. It's going to come in for the final approach. The arm is going to start tracking the drone. And once it feels it's aligned, it's going to go up for a grab, snatch it right out of the air, and place it right back into the system. Okay, and there you go. You completed a mission.
Awesome.